Hey, hello, what's up, guys? Crypto everything here again. I'm sorry it has been a while. I've not been dropping videos, and I apologize. But today I'm gonna be giving you a coin that I think you should buy because it has potential. Okay. Now, this coin I'm gonna be showing you why it is important for you to look into this coin and why I would want you to get into it. Although it is not a financial advice, but I will always give you the best options available. I tell you coins that will probably are likely to go for it or skyrocket, okay? And I give you clues on what you should look out for, and it's up to you to make your own decisions. I can only guide you, but I can't force you to do anything, okay? So without too much ado or too much talk, let's just get into the coin. So the name of the coin is mint.club, okay? Now, if you go to mint.club, this is the website, okay, and you can find this coin on coin market cap. Okay, if you go to coin market cap, you're going to see the coin is still very low right now, but it has done a bit. But the coin has a very great potential. Okay, I'm going to show telling you why in a few seconds. Okay, now this coin mint.club, it's a website that has an objective. What they do here is people come here to mint token. What minting of tokens means is creating tokens. So if somebody decided to say, okay, I just want to make my coin, you can just come to this website, you make your own coin. Okay, that is what this website does. And now this website has its own cryptocurrency, its own token. Okay, so before you can mint a coin, you have to have the coin, which is mint.club, meaning you must buy the coin. And buying of coins means price increase for that coin. So for anybody that comes here to make coin, to mint his coin, you first of all have to buy this coin. Okay, so and every coin that is minted on this website is pegged to this coin, meaning for every coin that you mint here, you are attaching it to this coin mint.club. Okay, let's say I decided to come here and I minted a coin called BAR. Okay, now that BAR is connected to mint.club. So if somebody is to buy BAR, the person is buying mint.club instead. It's like saying he's like buying mint.club. So what the algorithm sees is you buying mint.club, but you buying it is showing that you're buying bar, but behind at the back end you're buying mint.club instead. So at every point somebody buying bar is buying mint.club, which makes mint.club as a coin increase in price. I just hope you get that. So at the end of the day, if somebody wants to sell, he's selling. If somebody wants to sell his BAR coin, he's actually selling mint.club. So in the back end, you're buying and you're selling mint.club instead of the coin that you're buying or the coin that you're seeing. Okay, so every coin that is minted here on this website is pegged to mint.club. And if I could show you the charts, you will see mint.club has done very well on coin market cap. It has actually done about 3,000%. Okay, a 3,000%. as of yesterday yesterday, some whales sold part of their shares of mint.club, okay, about $2 million, and the thing quickly went down, and people within a few minutes people bought the dip, and they quickly bought the dip. Although I was not available at the time of the dip, I would have bought the dip, okay. So but I was unable to meet up, I was not there. So before I came back, people had already bought the dip and they took the coin back to almost where it was before the big whale sold. Okay, so now you can see right here, this has already done 3,500%. Okay, and it was created about 3 months ago. So you can easily get into this coin and buy. I have bought this coin, other people have bought this coin, but this coin is, people don't really know the value of this coin. That is why so many of them are not buying it. If you come to although it has about 53,000 addresses. Okay, so if you come to bscscan.com and you just search for mint.club, it's going to bring you this coin. As you can see right here, it has a decent amount of holders, 53,000 people. And now, so at the if you buy this coin, But before you can buy any coin on this mint.club, people find coins. Like you find coins here too. I do find coins, and I'm going to make a video on that, how to find gems in this mint.club. Okay, gems that are just coming up and people don't know about, that when you quickly get into, you're going to make a lot of money in a short time. Okay, that is another video for another day. But this coin on its own, for you to be able to buy coins on this website at all, if you want to mint coins, you need to have mint.club. If you want to buy coins, you need to have mint.club to be able to buy coins. So which all adds to why the price of mint.club will always go up. Okay, so now if you buy mint.club, keep it there while people transact and do all of that stuff with mint.club, because everything that is done here is done with mint.club. You are going to, the price of your coin is going to keep going up. It keep going up, keep going up. Say you buy $1,000 worth of this coin and you just keep it within a short amount of time, bro. You're gonna make a lot of profit, brother. You're gonna make a lot of profit. I'm not forcing you to buy this coin. I'm just saying look into the coin. Okay, I think it has a very, very good potential. Okay, I'm going to be making some other videos soon. This is what I'm going to be doing. I'm going to be dropping like at least a coin, one single coin per video, so that it's not too long and I'm just going to go straight to the point. Now, the contract address for this Midnight Club, I'm going to leave it in the description below. All that you need to know, all the links that you need to get concerning this coin, you are going to see them in the description below. And now you can buy it on PancakeSwap. Okay, I'm going to head to my PancakeSwap now and show you what to do. Okay, so this is my PancakeSwap. You can see already I already have some of them already, some mint.club token. Okay, all you have to do is come over here, just copy the contract address, and I'm going to leave in the description. Copy the contract address, just come over here to where it says mint.club, just click on it. You just paste in the contract address, paste it here, and the coin is going to appear, and then you click on it. Then you can put how much you want to buy, how much worth of BNB you are ready to spend for it, and then you know how to use your PancakeSwap sorry, to buy your coins. And then after that, you just click on swap, and then you are done. Then you have bought the coin. It's going to appear in your Trust Wallet. So this is a BSC, this is on the BSC blockchain, the Binance blockchain. Okay, this is not any other blockchains on the Binance blockchain. So you are going to see it on your Trust Wallet. And so when you are coming over here is a Binance. So yes, you remember to change this from Ethereum to BSC. Okay, just change it from Ethereum to BSC, and that is done. And so here you can see some of the coins that have been, you can come to Explorer and see some of the coins that have been created. So many coins have been created, people are buying. So you can see this has moved to $6 and this has moved to $5. Okay, so just try to look into it. Okay, I'm going to be making, like I said, I will make a new video on how to use this mint.club to find new tokens, new coins that you can buy to make a very, very good amount of money in a very short time. Okay, and if you did like the video, and why not subscribe, like my video, and then share to your friends, and leave a comment below for if you have a question, anything that I should look into. And sorry if my voice is not loud enough for you. Please just try to use headphones or earpieces. If you have, just try to help me. Okay, because I don't know if my voice can be louder than this. I'm not sure it can be. So this is Crypto Everything here again. So I'm out. Bye.